Well, my viewers, I'm back again, people. So on again, people. Yeah, man. So on start blaze the fire, people. Yeah, man. I'm back again, but people, with another episode, people. Yeah, man. Part two, people. So one, people. Yo, people should not start blaze the fire. Should not stop swinging the two before. No, people. Nah, no. Take it back. Not two before. The pipe and people should not stop swing it. Yeah, man. Listen, people. Listen. So one.
To be content with little or mediocrity when more or better can be done is to lack ambition. To justify the poor leadership of the government on the grounds that, oh, the opposition is no better is such poor reasoning. And it's that kind of reasoning that causes this cycle of poor leadership, of corruption within our government. If we started holding the leaders accountable, regardless of what party, then whoever is not in power would realize, listen, when I get into power, I can do the same foolishness that previous administration did, because these Jamaicans, they don't play and they don't care what party you are. They just want to know that whoever is in power does right by the Jamaican people. That's where real change is going to start. If you don't love yourself enough to demand better, why should these politicians do right by us? Sometimes you have to demand the treatment that you want, and you can't just rely on people's nobility or morality to do it for you. Also, for the people who like to defend the corruption of this government, I would urge you to learn some self-love, learn some pride, to want better for yourself and want better for your kids. You know, like your ancestors did. They didn't use the excuse of, oh, I was born into slavery. I came and saw my parents being slaves. So you know what? Let me just accept this as the status quo. No, they loved themselves enough, and they loved their kids and their grandkids enough to fight for a freedom that they themselves would never enjoy, but their kids and their grandkids was going to enjoy. So love your kids enough to want to create a better Jamaica for them.